Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn off show most used apps on start menu in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn off show most used apps on start menu in Windows 11 computer, click on start menu, go to settings. In left pane, click on personalization. Now scroll down. Here you will find an option start. Click on start. Here you will find an option show most used apps and by default is turned on. Click here to turn it off. Now show most used apps on start menu in Windows 11 computer is turned off. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.